Hello, today I will make soldering fumes filter. For this project I need bathroom fan, ventilation tube, input and output nozzles for tube, duct tape and air filters, kitchen hood and active carbon air filter. In the output nozzle I will put 2 layers of each filters. And on top of them, to secure all together, I will put glass fiber on it. When output nozzle is ready, it can be mounted to the fan. On the other end of fan, you need to mount ventilation tube. The intake nozzle will be mounted on other end of tube. Ideally, the form of intake should be without sharp edges, but this is the only one I found in the local hardware store. So this is the final result. Let's test it. As you can see, fumes are sucked in, but not all. Approximately 50% of fumes get into filter, and the other 50 besides it. Let's improve intake power by removing white kitchen hood filter and leave only active carbon filter layer. Well, now the most amount of fumes are sucked into filter. If put intake nozzle very close to soldering iron, the filter does its job very well. Let's see how it works without any filter. I put output nozzle with the fan outside the window, so that unfiltered fumes do not get back into room. As you can see, now air filter performance is very good. For this moment I will keep this configuration. It's clear that without any filters there is minimal air resistance and intake power is the maximal. If you have any window where to put air filter, then it's a good option. And also, as filter fan now is outside the room, it's more quieter inside. Thanks for watching, bye.